Right, today guys we've got the Seesii electric chainsaw for you to peruse. Now I know you're thinking, who can be bothered taking something big like this out camping? But when I show you the results, you're going to think, that is definitely worth it. So inside the box we get so we've got the instruction manual, saw itself, charger, safety goggles, gloves, 2 different batteries, plenty of power, there's a spare blade as well, something to put some oil in, there's even a spare, I don't know what that's called, a spare one of them. So the saw itself is quite lightweight, and well, if you're just going for a one-nighter, you don't really need the 2 batteries, just one will do you. It's easy enough to use. There's a safety button you need to press first before it will work. There's a place to refill the oil, and then you just pump it up with this then to oil it up. I haven't actually done that yet. Maybe I should have put some oil in there first. So let's have a look. You probably saw this in the last video, but we'll take an in-depth look this time and see how it performed.
We have got it, that's pretty good, that is much. That's pretty sharp, right?
I've got mine with me and 2 batteries.
Yeah.
Easy.
Proper bushcrafter.
Watch your needles.
Really good, that is. Oh, that's better than my body still sore, right?
What here I got in the
Stay there now, Pete. Look out, Pete. Stay there now. Are you going to let her have a lick up? I've had her done.
Oh, no.
I had her done straight away, but...
Yeah, really?
Chuck it on, mush.
Right, so as you can see, it works really well. It's fantastic. I haven't used this long term. I've only used this for 1 camp so far, but it cut our wood fantastically. Can't complain at all. My mate took the mick out of me for wearing these glasses, but the thing is, if you're chopping up wood, especially one that might have nails in it, you don't want anything flying into your eyeball, you know. Comes with these gloves as well. Are these cut proof? I think they're just standard like wool gloves. You know, it would be nice to see some Kevlar gloves with that. But I've realised I need to get some oil on there for next time. Looks easy to refill, and then you just press the button to get it onto the blade then. So can I see this as being an option for camping? Definitely if you're not walking too far from the car. I'll put the weight on the screen. it's not, it doesn't feel heavy. It's a couple of kilos. Obviously you don't need to take things like the charger. It saves you so much time to take this, and it's so much effort chopping up wood with a handsaw and an axe. I mean, it does build your muscles up, but you know, sometimes you just want a cozy camp, and that could be your option for that then. So they're not really expensive on Amazon at the moment. I'll put the link below for you if you're interested in that. Could also be a good option if you've got, say, a wood burner at home and you know, you're picking up wood off the side of the road. We all do it. If you've got a wood burner, you see some wood there, you may as well grab it, chuck it in the back of the car. This is a great option to chop it down to size. You don't need a petrol chainsaw these days. It's ample. It's good enough. You know, if you're just chopping up something small, you don't need anything bigger than this. Thank you to Seesii for sending me this for this review. It's a really good thing. I did have one before. It wasn't as good as this one. This seems really solid, as you heard Drew saying. Better than this still saw, apparently. You just need to make sure it stays sharp. You can get a file to sharpen your blade, but it does have a spare blade in there anyway, so it should last you a long time. Haven't done the long-term test, but as you can see, it works amazingly. So take this out on plenty more camps. When I just want a nice easy one and can't be bothered to chop the wood by hand, or if it's not too far from the car, it's ideal. Right, thanks for watching that, guys. Plenty more reviews and camping videos to come. Ta-ta for now.